Okay, here we are on a new project to show what I'm doing. So this is the garage, got my tarp down. Yes, I need a new one, but that's that. Drop cloth, so everywhere we walk, everything is protected as good as we can. We'll drop cloth along here. Drop cloth along here, everywhere we walk. And drop cloths around the area working. So here's the backsplash I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing herringbone in this section here, in this section, and the rest will be just a subway pattern, subway type tile. So that's where I'm at here. So I have my protection material here for the countertops that will go down, get taped down, stay down for the duration of the project. The drop cloths, you know, pick them up, put them down at the end of each day, whatnot. Sometimes I'll put down the exporter ram board on the floor here, but in this situation, all the ins and outs, it'll be better just to use the drop cloth. So that's where I'm at right now. Stay tuned for the install. Okay, here I am back on site. I was able to get this whole section over here and around here set yesterday. So today, I'm going to continue on. We're going to be doing the herringbone over there and over there. And believe it or not, I actually made a mistake on this job. I measured this whole thing up, and this hasn't happened to me, but you know, it's bound to at some point. I measured over here 31, but I wrote down 13 inches instead of 31 inches. So over here, I was short 4 square feet, which actually messed up my tile order. So thankfully, the tile was stock in a warehouse and one stayed over, so I spent the last 4 hours this morning driving there, driving back to the site today to get the tile, but no delays. Might be a little bit late today, but whatever it's going to take, it's going to take. And I have the tile, so I'm going to continue on. What I'm going to do is template this one, pre-cut it, and set it probably, then template that one, and cut it and set it. So that's the plan right now. Everyone out there, enjoy the rest of this. I'll try to do an install video. I don't want to take any footage of this part, but once I get these pre-cut, I'll show you. Maybe I'll show you the process. But just using pieces of Luan that I ripped down that exactly, you know, straight. They have to be straight, otherwise, you know, you got nothing to go by. Using a hot glue gun, I'm just going to cut them to size, glue them together. Lay out the tile on the floor or over here somewhere where it's a very flat surface, and then mark them all, cut them, transfer them to the wall. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go from there. Okay, so hopefully I got you guys some good footage, well, at least something of this tile, this area installed yesterday. Did not film this one, it was getting late. I was just focusing on that. So yesterday I came in, I basically templated this whole thing. And it was hard to template because this tile is not exactly flat. So when I put it on the floor on a flat surface, put the template on, it kind of bounces around on me. So it's hard to keep it exactly where I want it. But I would say about 85% of the cuts came out perfect. The other ones I just had to trim or redo. And I also templated this one and set this one as well. So it was a little bit longer a day. I was on site for about 9 hours, but I got it done. Came out good. Took my time, and today the plan is to clean up the whole backsplash, grout it all in, let it dry for a little while, then silicone it in where necessary. So that's where I'm at. I try to get you guys some shots today of the process of cleaning this up, grouting, silicone, and putting the outlets in. So stay tuned for that. Everything is silicone grouted, back for the client to enjoy. You're clear. So that's it for me. On to the next project. Hopefully you enjoyed.